It's Sunday, October 3rd, and we were up here yesterday, but I didn't do a video. We only got one thing done yesterday, and that was torquing down the tail tie down. We had other visitors up here that were showing the airplane and had a whole lot of research and discussion going on between the two of us on what our next steps are for this skin, the bottom skins, side skins, and attaching the tail cone onto this cage. So I think today we are going to be taking off the top skins. We're going to be prepping, going through and making sure that's all cleaned up in there for riveting, all of the rivet holes and everything.
Rivet the baggage side.
Yeah, we're gonna rivet baggage sides. What else you got?
That's it.
Okay, well, that's what we're gonna start with and see where we get. We're giving these bulkhead flanges just one more going over here before we close this thing up with skin. So we're just making sure that the rivet holes are clean, which for the most part they are, but they just need just a little tiny bit of, we're hitting it with a little bit of sandpaper. Just from the clecos going in and out, it kind of roughs up the hole a little bit. So getting those cleaned up, and yeah, that's what we're doing.
Not moving very fast,
We're wrapping it up for the day today, and we are up to our next step, which will be riveting this skin on, finally.
Yay!
That's going to be the next thing. So we got about time. We got everything cleaned up. We checked everything, checked for burrs, got that all taken care of. We got the front upper skins squared away and on there. Spacer strips in there. We got all kinds of stuff. I got the baggage floor put in, got the station 4 closeout put in. Yeah.
Yesterday torqued the...
Oh, we did the tail tie down yesterday. And we did check. We are 0 degrees from the front where that aluminum bracket is. That's our level point up there. So we checked that against this right here. And we are 0.00 degrees of twist. We did have to put just the smallest bit of shim down here just to give it just a little tiny bit of twist on it to fix that. But we're all cleated up, ready to go. So next time you see us, we're going to be probably riveting. That's one thing I've learned, is not to ever say we will be doing something. We'll probably be doing this. But so that's where we're at. We're going to knock off for the night. Was there anything else? Am I forgetting?
What we did today?
Yeah. I don't think so.
Oh, riveted in the window.
Oh,
upper
we did
baggage.
baggage sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did riveted those in, and we did yesterday. We did the window support. Riveted that in down on the longeron, on the middle longeron. So, anyways,
Oh, we did that yesterday.
so hey, thanks for watching. Have a good evening, and that's it for now.